Once upon a time, a long, long time, there was a young girl on a rapid climb through the world of entertainment. She was destined to be a star, living life on the fast lane. She was driving a supercar, going way too fast, switching lanes at last. Something came up, a dead hand of the past. This small town girl living in the big city with dreams and aspirations. It's a shame, what a pity. 14 years back, when I was just a kid, I knew this young girl, initials SJ. Fresh in the scene, looking for a break. Took her under my wing, her heart to take. I misused the trust that had been given to me. A young man insecure and unable to see her love to me was really genuine. I guess it's just one of those things in time. Nevertheless, I remember the rest. I invest on mad deals of global proportions and caress. Growing up in a small town and wanting a bit more, I had to bust it out from the fields of corn. Never imagined I'd become a legendary. I'm the man when it comes to real commentary. Dream bigger and larger and look forward to the future. The less you do, the more you miss out on the culture. Coming up with a bomb bass and you give chase to the rhymes I be bringing to the mic in your face. What you gonna do when I come for you? Call you out to the stage with a battle for two. Don't choke on the bammer weed, cause you better have it all on the floor indeed. I come spitting fire, killing your desire, so you better be prepared to be calling me sire.